Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Dokhbem LED rechargeable tactical flashlight set. It's a 4-pack. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open here, going to be pretty standard stuff. You're going to have 4 of these. It's going to be USB-A to USB-C charging cable, 4 of them. Then you'll have 4 of these, complete with wrist lanyard, instruction manual. Now here's the important thing that you always have to worry about with any kind of flashlight and they're usually telling you about that right here. So you'll just literally, and of course right there, twist off your tail cap. Anyway, so we'll twist off the tail cap and we'll find a little piece of plastic in between the battery. Yep, that just shot off in a million different directions, it seemed like, super fast. Anyway, now we'll have a ability to actually work here, and we'll collect that in the top in just a moment. But comes at 80%, and we'll show this outside, but it's got a wide zoom, narrow focus options, pretty simple, pretty standard. Generally speaking, these are water resistant. I wouldn't ever say waterproof, but they do usually have some kind of rating. I don't really try and test those out because it all depends on whether that seal is really tight or not. And this seems to be a pretty darn good seal, but that's where our USB-C charging port is. So comes at 80%. We'll go ahead and get this thing charged up so that we can test it out. But as mentioned, we've got 4 of these with the 4 charging cables. So we'll test it out outside so you can get a good feel for it. So pretty standard, light zooms in and goes out, and then you have a high, medium, low, shutter, and then SOS. So this thing, again, 4-pack, awesome, does a great job. Let me show you kind of how well it lights up stuff in the distance. And then again, just local, or very, very well lit up around here. So love these types of flashlights. They're great. Hopefully this review helps you. Very bright, good battery. Thanks for watching.